What's going on, everybody? My name is Prism, and I am back with a really cool fire alarm unboxing video. This is a Faraday 141 24-volt DC electronic horn that looks kind of similar to the the Federal Signal Select Tone. And I'm really excited about this alarm. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. And the alarm came like this on my porch. And yes, this is the original box because of the Faraday sticker on the top left. I feel like I'm estimating like 90s, like 1990s and stuff. Oh, there we go. Let me go ahead and re-angle the camera. There we go. There we go. Might have to lean this down a little bit. Here's our alarm. Oh, that's heavy for sure. I'll give you a close-up looks at this soon. Just let me get everything out first. Here's the manual. And it looks like that is everything there. I'll kind of move these aside for now. I will be keeping the box as usual. Let's see here, I have a manual to go with this here. Let me go ahead and open this up with one hand real quick. Or not. But yeah. Bro. Alright, so here are the installations for a tritone electronic horn. This is tritone. That's pretty interesting. I thought this was single tone or even a select tone rebrand, but I guess not. So here's the inside of the cone. Is that metal? Yeah, it's metal. So it's actually kind of heavy. Here is a close-up. Let's see, let's zoom out here. Here's a close-up of the horn. A little bit of a side view. It looks like there's it doesn't mount 4x4, which is interesting, but this is pretty cool. I'll give you all a look at the label. Model 141, 24 volts DC, 500 milliamps. Pretty much it on this tag right here. I'm kind of tempted to unscrew these because I feel like that's what houses for me to like access the terminals and stuff. So I'll go ahead and get this real quick. Okay, so I unscrewed the little screws here, and I can tell this is meant to be mounted outside. So you can see like the rubber rings there, and the rubber ring here. My phone to focus. So let's see if I can like just maybe get this thing open. There we go. See, it looks like there's our cover, our wire leads. See here, move slide switch to desired tone, and it looks like we have a siren, warble, and yow. Looks like those are a little thing there. Let's see what is behind here. Oh yeah, there's the inside of the alarm. Looks like that is all the electronics and stuff. So I'll keep that there. I feel like I'm not supposed to open it, but I don't really care. See, it looks like this is a 4-wire device, which will come in handy. It's pretty interesting. Okay, so I got the wire leads through this hole here. I hope this doesn't put stress on the wires, but that's the most I can do. But yeah, it looks like the default. It looks like the default tone is siren. So yeah, overall, this is a really cool alarm, and I really like this a lot. This draws 500 milliamps, and I'm really excited to power this up on a factory settings siren. Yeah, let me go ahead and get this up. Excuse me, get this wire real quick. Okay, so before I wire it up, here's a little bit of a comparison of my teeny tiny little siren here versus the Faraday 141 horn. Here's my hand for reference. I mean, this thing's huge and it's heavy, and this I can like kind of somewhat fit in the palm of my hand, but yeah, this thing's huge and that's really, really cool. Alrighty, time to turn it on for the first time. It is set on its default tone siren, and I'm going to set it off in 3, 2, 1. That's crazy loud, even with hearing protection on. But yeah, this thing's powerful, 500 milliamps, that's crazy. But that'll do for this unboxing video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon, hopefully with an all tones test video. Peace out.